Hello guys, welcome back once more. It's your favorite guy Blaizo. Today I'll be taking you to this nice spot in Douala. It's called Café Vienna, as you can see. Today I'll be showing you what Café Vienna looks like. Café Vienna is a nice spot located at Bonamusati Douala, going towards Carrefour. They offer a multitude of services which is ignored by a lot because many people ask themselves, where am I going to get some good ice cream? Where can I celebrate my birthday? Where can I have fun with my friends? They have a very wide and diverse menu which you can actually choose from there. So guys, without much talking, I will have to leave the floor so you can enjoy the view of what I'm proposing to you today. Café Vienna does into bakery stuff too. They have a lot of bakery stuffs. They have a spot where you can celebrate your birthday. You can come around for a date. A lot of options for you to choose from. So guys, that's just it about Café Vienna. They have a lot, and I will leave it up to you to visit Café Vienna and experience it for yourself. Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you appreciate what I brought to you, and if you do, please drop a comment. If you don't, please drop a comment telling me where you want me to improve, because I'll be very happy to take those comments. So guys, take care. Oh, before I forget, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe if you like what I'm doing, because I got a lot of great content coming up for you. So guys, thank you, love you, stay safe.